was all let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you.
So for my first DIY gift item, I have this silver ribbon and a handkerchief with some pink color gift items. I have taken a perfume, a phone cover and some makeup brushes with a clutcher. I have taken all kind of gifts in pink color, but you can take any other colors gift items too as per your friend's taste. Then I'm tying everything like so with this ribbon. Now I am cutting this pink cardstock paper in heart shape so I can write a cute tag thinking of you. Once everything is done, insert the tag onto your bouquet and it's ready. Next DIY is the easiest. You just need a nail pen and a heart-shaped paper of any color. Write, "You are totally amazing friend." And at last, stick it on your nail pen with the help of double-sided tape. And it's ready in just 2 minutes. For my third DIY gift, I printed these blank colorful coupons and I had cut each one like so. Download these from the given link on the description box. So you guys must had heard about love coupons, but this is going to be a friendship coupons. So write some interesting and fun topics for your friend to enjoy. Once you are done with writing, arrange everything in place and glue them one by one. And it's just ready in just few minutes without any much effort.